And here we're looking at a typical kayak warm-up for the World Championships. And here we're looking at the 1,000-meter paddler, where is an average race time of around 3.5 minutes versus the 200-meter paddler, where the average race of around 30 seconds. Now you can see here, each warm-up starts with the aerobic warm-up. 2 hours prior to the race, the long distance or the endurance paddler is doing a long endurance warm-up of 6 to 8 kilometers. Whereas the 200-meter paddler, in this situation here, is doing stretching exercises for 30 minutes. Then they're moving on to the respiratory muscle warm-up routine. 1 hour prior to the race, the endurance paddler is doing the load routine number 1 and has to back that up with a dry land stretching routine. You can see here with the sprint athlete, 1.25 hours prior to the race, they're doing the load routine number 2, which we'll learn about soon. And then they have a specific dry land warm-up routine, which includes our aerobic warm-up skipping, some scapular setting, core routine activities, and some heavy 1 rep max and power throwing activities, specifically the 200-meter sprint athlete. And 3, the last section of a warm-up routine is the sport specific. Both of them are 30 minutes prior and individually tailored to their own race routines. You can see the 1,000-meter athlete here versus the 200-meter athlete here. Much more comprehensive warm-up routine here for the sprint athlete, as their race is only 30 seconds and they are switching themselves on in preparation for that 30-second all-out effort.